and you can see there is so many dust, so I have to clean this fan. And hey beauty people, today I am going to show you how you can open your HP laptop. So this is my HP EliteBook G3 series. Now I am going to open it. So to open I am using this. So I am going to open it for my laptop fan is not working, that's why I am going to check why it's not working. So I am going to diagnose this laptop. So this laptop is very older version, HP EliteBook G3 series, and this laptop performance is very good till now. And this is the laptop back side, and you can see there is so many dust, so I have to clean this fan. And this is the RAM, so I have to clean this RAM also. This is the battery, and this battery is already damaged, so I have to change this battery also. For now I am going to clean this only. And this is the brush, I am going to clean using this brush. So after clean, now I am going to check it's working or not. So this is the power cable. Now let's connect it, and the power cable is now plugged in. Now let's see. Here look, this is now working perfectly, fan. So we have successfully fixed the issue, fan issue. Now let's unplug this